Heavy rain and thunderstorms to bring possible flash flooding and renewed river level rises to parts of Queensland and New South Wales, and severe thunderstorm warnings are current for heavy rainfall for parts of Queensland and northeast New South Wales. We've also had a few heavy cells around the Sydney and Newcastle area. Just to the south of Sydney, we've seen falls of up to 50 millimetres. Now, what's driving all this? We're seeing a band of cloud, and that's combining with really moist air as well in the lower levels to produce widespread shower and thunderstorm activity through parts of southern Queensland and into northern and northeastern New South Wales. And we can clearly see that in more detail here looking at the water vapour loop. We can see this big push in the upper levels. This is an upper trough standing up, and that's going to continue to very slowly move eastwards in the coming days. And that's leading to a lot of lift through parts of southern Queensland and northeast New South Wales, providing the widespread rain and thunderstorm activity we're seeing. So to 9 o'clock this morning, we've seen widespread 20 to 50 millimetres, pretty much from Sydney all the way up into the south central Queensland, with widespread falls of, especially around the Grafton and into the Hunter area, of 30 to 80 millimetres. Now, since 9 o'clock this morning, we've seen falls again around that 10 to 20 millimetre mark, with some isolated heavier falls around the central coast and also through parts of the northern tablelands as well. Now, looking at the rainfall to come, we're going to see that band of rain and storms move into parts of southeast Queensland and much of northeast New South Wales later today, with widespread rain and storms, possibly severe, with heavy rainfall, damaging winds, and maybe even some large hail. Now, as we move into tomorrow, we'll see a bit of easing in New South Wales, with the focus really up through inland parts of Queensland, where we could see another round of severe thunderstorms through there, while showers will continue through New South Wales. Now, as we move into Sunday, we'll see a reinvigoration of the surface trough, producing another band of widespread rain and thunderstorm activity from the Maranoa and Warrego all the way down into the central coast of New South Wales. Then that'll slowly move towards the coast Sunday night into Monday, and then we could see the rain really start to pick up through coastal areas of New South Wales and Queensland as we get Monday night into Tuesday. But that is highly dependent on the track and intensity of any coastal trough or low that may develop offshore. Now, looking at how much rainfall we could see in the coming days, we're going to see widespread 25 to 50 millimetres through many parts of Queensland and New South Wales. And a lot of this rainfall is likely to fall on already saturated soils and catchments. So we could see renewed river level rises on many rivers, creeks and streams, particularly through flood impacted areas of southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. And this rain is also not good news for the many communities still with ongoing flood recovery efforts going on. So with that in mind, flood watches are current for large parts of northeast New South Wales as conditions are ripe for renewed river level rises. And we also have numerous flood warnings current, particularly for communities along the Queensland-New South Wales border. So please, if you are in this part of the world in the coming days, make sure that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from emergency services.